Hey everybody, it's Dr. Noah from Family Chiropractic Center of Bayonne, and welcome to my Saturday morning Instagram and Facebook live session. So for many years, we've been collecting and correlating every single month a book of the month, a product of the month, and from this month going forward, also a supplement of the month. So I thought I would share with you what BYWGs May 2019 book, supplement, and product of the month are. And the links and all the kind of information that you need are in the comments right below for sure. So the first is the book of the month. And Dr. Wanda Lee interviewed Dr. Mariza Synder on March 25th, 2019 on the podcast. And they talked about the essential oils guide to better hormones, or the essential hormone guide. It's a great book. It was a great interview. We highly recommend, if you are interested in essential oils and essential oils for your health, to pick that book up, and better yet, listen to the podcast as well. Again, it's March 25th, 2019. The supplement of the month is very exciting for us. We've listened to your concerns. We know our health concerns, and many of us out there don't sleep well, can't get to sleep, don't have prolonged hours of sleep, wake up in the middle of the night with their mind racing or a little bit anxious, or don't wake up rested, or are very sensitive to melatonin and wake up not feeling right, feeling a little bit groggy. So we created a melatonin-free sleep supplement called BYWGs Deep Sleep Assist. And for the month of May, it's available in office and online at www.beyondyourwildestgenes.com. And the discount code is SLEEP10. And it is case sensitive. So it's capital SLEEP 10. So capital S, lowercase l, EEP 10. It's got GABA and theanine, 5-HTP. It's really a great new, unique, innovative supplement. And in fact, the podcast Monday, May 6th, Dr. Mike and I take a deep dive on a supplement as well. So you could check it out there as well. Finally, the product of the month is something that I've talked about here, that I've posted many times on social media, that I've done 3 times, and it's the Prolon fasting mimicking diet. My wife has done it, friends have done it, patients have done it, all with great results. Fasting has tremendous benefits, but it's hard to do a fast or a water fasting. It could be dangerous, and you have to be really metabolically sound to complete them. So what Prolon has done is created a fast where you're eating 1,000 calories the first day and 600 to 700 calories for the next 4 days. So you kind of take yourself out of the danger zone, but you continue to get all the benefits of fasting. I do it twice a year. I plan on upping that up to at least 3 times a year for sure. Actually, the food actually tastes really good. It all comes in a kit. Everything is prepared for you to do and to list and how to do it and how to complete it. So it's really easy. So for the month of May, there's 2 deals. For the first part of May, if you use the link below, from May 1st to May 13th, you get $25 off a kit, free shipping, and a free longevity diet book. From March 14th on, until the end of the month, we have a special code for BYWG and Family Chiropractic Center listeners, and you get 10% off a kit using the code below. And for 1 box, the code for 10% off is capital B, capital Y, capital W, capital G. If you love it and you want to subscribe to a subscription service where they deliver to you, I think, monthly, which many people can benefit if you have some really serious health challenges. The code to get 10% off that is capital B, capital Y, capital W, capital G, lowercase s. So great products. So product of the month is Prolon Fasting Mimicking Diet. Book of the month is Dr. Mariza Synder's newest release, the Essential Oil Hormone Solution, and the supplement of the month is BYWG's Deep Sleep Assist. just about time for me to see patients. We are open today. Check it out. Everything is in the show notes. Be awesome and never unawesome. Bye.